Meet Mary Seacole. She was a Jamaican British nurse and healer born in 1805. She did so much for the Crimean War, where she established the British Hotel near the front line as a hospital and place of rest for wounded soldiers. Despite being turned down, Mary persisted, raised her own funds, and made her way to Crimea. Now, her contributions were forgotten at first, but today we celebrate Mary C. Cole as a pioneer nurse and humanitarian. She is a symbol of Black history and an important figure in the development of nursing and healthcare. Join us in celebrating the great Jamaican Mary C. Cole.